5 coolest things about our own solar system. Number 1. The Sun is actually not only our star, but our spaceship. Our solar system is part of a massive Milky Way galaxy, right? Earth and other planets like Jupiter and more orbits the Sun. Each of the planets has a different orbit, but do not focus on that. The thing is that our Sun orbits the whole Milky Way with us. Well, the black hole in the center of our Milky Way. The time of one orbit is called the galactic year. The orbit lasts for about 230 million years, and the Sun is currently traveling with our whole solar system at an average velocity of 828,000 kilometers per hour. So our planet does not orbit like this. More like this. And we can say that the Sun is our spaceship through the universe. Number 2. The other slightly cool but also weird thing is Pluto. Pluto is the smallest and most distant planet in our solar system, and also the coldest with temperatures around minus 225 Celsius. But Pluto is not a planet. Well, it is. But it's not considered to be a planet. It is more like a dwarf planet with the size of 370 kilometers across the horizon, and that is 1/6 of the Earth. In case you can't imagine how small it is smaller than Moon. Pluto is so far away from the Sun that light has to travel 5 hours and 30 minutes to get to the dwarf planet. Another fascinating thing about Pluto is that it has 5 moons, which one of them is half size of the dwarf, and due to the gravitational forces, Pluto's orbit is slightly outside of the dwarf. Number 3. Venus is the closest planet to Earth, but also the most dangerous. Venus's title of the hottest, the wildest, the weirdest planet of the solar system, and called Hell, tells us pretty right that it is not such as friendly as Moon, perhaps. The air is so hot that it would burn lead instantly, just around 475 degrees Celsius or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. We actually did land a lander on Venus, but because we don't have the materials to resist such a hot climate, the lander worked for only 2 hours on Venus before it melted down. Another thing is that Venus spins clockwise, and 1 day on Venus equals 243 days on Earth. Scientists would also like to transform Venus from being extremely hot to just like Earth and would like to live on Venus in the future. If you're curious, here is a video about it in the description. Number 4. The coronal mass ejection of the Sun. Our Sun has been steadily burning hydrogen since its existence, creating flares and eruptions. Well, the problem is that these columns of magnetized plasma launch out into the solar wind at a speed of 11 million kilometers per hour and can cause geomagnetic storms on Earth, can damage some of our satellites, and can even turn off a lot of electrical devices. Don't worry, that rarely happens. These solar winds are the creators of the aurora at the poles at night. Number 5. Mount Olympus. No, I don't mean Mount Olympus in Greece, but a superactive shield volcano on the planet Mars. Mount Olympus is the highest object, or we can say a mountain, in the solar system, also known as Olympus Mons in Latin. With its 23 kilometers height and the size of the whole France, with 600 kilometers wideness, this volcano has no rival on any other planet here in our solar system. The volcano wasn't that big at the beginning, but lava did slowly make the volcano bigger and bigger. That is why is the Olympus so wide. Maybe much bigger in the future, because the volcano is still active. First known information about Mount Olympus are from NASA's spacecraft Mariner 9. Also the fact it is not just a mountain, but a volcano. Thank you for watching and be ready for another interesting videos. See you later.